Yeah, good afternoon.
You're Igbo, right?
I'm an Igbo woman. I'm Moni.
Okay, Igbo Kweno?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell us what you like about Hausa people? Today, I will be asking the Igbo people what they love and admire about their Hausa brothers and sisters. So, guys, let's go!
Genius Radio!
Generally speaking, the Hausas, they've always been known to be a nice set of people, you know. They are very nice when it comes to generosity, giving out and all of that. They are nice. Forget about the inter-ethnic or whatever, communal clashes and the rest happening over in the northern part of Nigeria. But they are nice. They are nice people.
Have you had any one-on-one relationship with them?
Yeah, because basically I would say I served in the northern part of Nigerian state. That's precisely Taraba state. So the inference that could be drawn from what I experienced is that set of guys I came across, they are nice guys. Very nice set of people. That's just it.
Yeah, actually, I like Hausa people because they like to compare with their brothers.
Hausa, I love them because they love themselves. Do you understand? Hausa man cannot be passing here and see someone fighting his phone Hausa and he just left and walk away like that. He can never do that. And Hausa man will love you most, even though you are Igbo or Yoruba. Anybody, in fact, any tribe you are, as far as you hear Hausa man will love you. He will employ you in his office. Understand? So that is why I love them. As far as you can hear their language, they love you. They took care of themselves.
They love themselves and they don't say lie. That's why I still love Hausa. When they tell you yes, their yes is yes.
The only thing I can say about Hausa people is that they are mostly agriculturists. They value farming and as well they value themselves. They are the people that goes after what they want. Because when you say come and vote or do this one, you will say Hausa man, even if you know that this guy did not enter school. But for the fact he knows their tradition, their culture, and he believes in them, he also have partaken in them in one way or the other, maybe in their family. Only that they know and understand him very well that he can do what they want is enough qualification for them to vote that person.
They are sincere. When they come to business, they are sincere. They can tell you truth about business. They say, take this. It's 1 naira. Their 1 naira is 1 naira.
Some people are just like Igbo. They are just have different unique. They have different thing in terms of business, like Igbo people. Whenever you see any Hausa man, you must have something doing. They don't believe in government or greediness. They always hustle on their own.
The first experience I got from the outside people is the word unity. They stand together as one. Whether it's for a good cause or for a negative cause, they are very united, especially within themselves. That is one. Two, there's this kind of love, if that's the right word. There's this kind of love within them, especially between the Hausa and Hausa, not with the other tribe, but it happens with other tribe, but it's not as common. So I say the bonding is one major thing. And if you are around their place, you are humble and you follow their kind of system, you get along with them without any hitch.
And what I like about Hausa is that they easily make friends, and wherever they find themselves, they always believe that everybody is one. So they follow you with honesty and truth. Because I have majority of them as friends.
I like Hausa people for one thing at least. They are good in producing food in Nigeria. And most of them are good anyway. They are truthful.
Yeah, I can see Hausa people, they are very industrious in terms of farming and otherwise. But that's just what I like about them.
The Hausas, they are good. They are sincere kind of people. As in, they are very, very specific. As in, whatever they like, they do it with their whole heart. And they are somehow reliable in terms of trusting. So that's what I really see about them.
Are you Igbo?
I'm Igbo.
Okay, what do you like about Hausa people?
I love the Hausas because they are one united, so united. For example, when you see them having issues with others, they are always there to stand by themselves.
You are Igbo?
Yeah, I'm Igbo.
Okay, what do you like about Hausa people?
I like a lot of things about them because they are hardworking, as you can see, and I think they have this desire to rule, and I love it. I love it because I love to see people with a lot of passion to rule and to be the best at all things, and I see it in them every time. Sometimes I see much more unity in their midst, the way they come together. If they see their friends from afar, they will be able to recognize and talk to that person without any shame or anything, and I love it. I love a lot of things about them.
One, there are many things I like about Hausa people. Mostly their truthfulness. There are people that I like because once they tell you go. Once they tell you come. So I like them because of their truthfulness.
You are Igbo, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, can you tell us what you like about Hausa people?
Actually, I've dealt with some kind of Hausa people, and according to how I see them, they are nice people, they are hardworking, they are very generous. In fact, I don't know, they are like very, very okay. They are very good people to deal with. Really? Yes.
Okay, is there another particular specific thing that generally you would like to, that you've noticed about them?
What I noticed is that they are really generous. Extremely, like really, really generous.
We like them. They are always farming. They are hardworking. They are bringing crops, tomatoes, bringing yam, and also onions. That's the area we appreciate them.
So, sir, you're an Igbo man?
Yeah, I'm
All
an
right.
Igbo man.
Okay, can you tell us what you like about Hausa people?
Yeah, they are good people of the nation anyway. In terms of business and being hardworking, they try in that area.
What I like about Hausa people, they are nice, but mostly I like their share because I do eat it all the time.
After talking to a couple of Igbo people today, I got positive feedbacks about what I really like and admire about their Hausa brothers and sisters. So now it's your turn to tell me what you really admire and love about the Hausa people. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section below. So in my next video, I will be asking the Hausa people what they really love and admire about their Igbo brothers and sisters. Don't stop watching Street Opinions on Genius Radio TV, and it's your favorite girl, Daniel Abigail. Woo, woo, woo.